Hi Popo, happy 3rd anniversary. I'm Tess from Philippines, GCF family. Wishing you many anniversary to come. Thank you very much Popo. Love you Popo. Hi Popo, happy 3rd anniversary from Philippines. I hope you many more anniversary to come. Thank you very much Popo. Love you Popo. Thank you. Hi Popo, happy 3rd anniversary from Philippines. I wish you many more anniversary to come. Thank you Popo. I love you Popo.
Mama, buntis po ako.
Okay, matulog ka na.
Di mo man lang ba ako pagagalitan? Anong klaseng ina ka? Wala kang pakialam. How could you do this to me?